Yo, Mzansi, welcome to it. Today I'm opening it live at Breed Taxi Rank. Ila uzongithola khona baba wami. It's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream and welcome to Angisakufuni. It's where I give people a platform ukuthi bahlukane bafethu. Mawukuthi kunomuntu ojola naye and ubona ngathi kunomkhiqhiqhi obenzakalayo kumjolo wenu. Otatazeli, fonela inkosi uKing Ginger noma ungibhalele ngizofika ngqo ngizonihlukanisa. People, I'm urging you, yekani ukuhlala kuma toxic relationship ngoba leyo relationship idinga ukufakwa eTexini ibuyele lokishini. It's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. It's Bibili King. Yabo hamba fana bami. Yabo hamba. Nganitshela ngathi umhlaba owami. Teka famba siyabri. You know the story. Take me straight to the couples. Hey yo, boo! It's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. But some demand to Mabuyu Bambolunu class. Welcome to Angisakufuni. On this show is whereby I give people a platform to break up. No way, bring it up now. Hey, what made you go to Why the We back at it, Mzansi. You know the name of the show, you know the hashtags, Teka Famba Bri, you know the story. It's your boy, King Ginger Cream de la Cream and hashtag Home Affairs. Welcome to Angisakufuni. On this show, you know what I do. We deliver nothing but the best. It's only about the breakups. Umuntu masefila ngathi usekhathele. You must write on this show. You must talk to me. You must tell me ukuthi indoda yakho niqale kanjani umjolo wenu, bewumnandi kanjani, and then yini into endisturbile kukho konke lokho ebenikwenza. King Ginger Cream de la Cream umfana oyedwa wasuka emakhaya enephupho nje lokusiza abantu, hamba uthenga icamera wathi awuthi ngisiza abantu. Today, my sister Spalele, mina ngqabanga, ngitha asimlande sizuthi skipper. Skipper buma, what? Siswami ngawusondela. Tekama unjani?
Ngiyapila, how are you?
I'm good. Tubani kam?
My name is Surprise.
Surprise owakuphi emakhaya usuka kuphi?
Ngisuka eLimpopo.
Which side of Limpopo?
Denelton.
Big up to Limpopo, bafethu. I love you so much. You know the story.
Yeah.
Siswami umjolo ukwenzani?
Nginenkinga, like I have a problem.
Talk to me.
I want to see myself out of this. Angisafuni, sekwanele. Yeah. So, my man and I have been dating for 5 months now.
Okay.
Yes, good. How new is that?
It's fresh.
Yes, it's still new. I mean, these were supposed to be the honeymoon days of the relationship.
Yeah, samnandi ngisaqala.
Yeah, but umfana okay, siqale kahle, alright and everything. Red flags were there, mara uyasazi thina amantombazana soyenza ukuthi abe ma orange flags. And then now that they are becoming more red, more and more. So ngifuna ukumlahla, but I can't do it C2 kuphela. Hence ngibhalele wena because yes. I knew ukuthi at some point he was going to be violent because I saw some of the signs here and there. So no masiza manje, I had to lie. Ngithi please accompany me to an interview. Yabo how dressed I am because he was not gonna take ukuthi siya ku reality show. So yeah, I'm breaking up with him because he's starting to be controlling now. So angikhethela ukuthi ngenzeni ngingahambi nobani kanjani. Yabo he complains about this ezincane, little things, yabo. So I want myself out because angeke ngisho konke kuningi. It's a lot. Yes. Yeah.
So you've been through a lot in 5 months.
It feels like 2 years. Level asna in anniversary.
Lapha nahlanganisi nananana.
How? Worst part, yabo, if I can start ukhuluma izinto azenzayo kuyena, ngiyabekezela, but yena mayenza just a minor thing, he complains. So ngitshela ukuthi ye kanjani yena, he's not gonna angeke amele umuntu oyenza lokho, isidima sakhe, wara, I'm not presenting him. Kanjani? Yeah, uyangikhethela like ufuna ukungilawula. Yeah.
So you are tired.
I'm tired because angeke ngitshela ukuthi I should delete every guy's number in my phone. Noma ngasi threat relationship, he wants me to delete number. Literally be okay, ngiyamtshela ukuthi this person ngifunda naye esikoleni. He's my classmate, he's my coursemate, something like that. Just because he's male, I have to delete. Okay, I did la bengibona yena ukuthi okay, maybe bayangishare, mangipostile, bayangicompliment, things like that. Maybe he may not be comfortable. Iba worse indaba. Mangaba live ngikhuluma namadoda like yo ngikhathele. I can't do this anymore.
No.
Yeah.
Go wrong events. So njengamanje usu right. You are done.
Angisamfuni. Angazichaza kanjani angisamfuni. Ngiyabona mos. Angisamfuni. I can't even explain. Angisamfuni.
Okay.
Yeah.
So sizomehlisa emotweni.
Okay.
But I'm with Welcome.
Yeah.
I'm with Welcome, and yes, Welcome. I feel like the shade is following us, so I would like us to shift a little bit forward with you. What do you think, Simpiwe? Or you could shift a bit forward, because I feel a shade.
After, that's shy, isn't it?
Say shy.
Yeah.
Oh, because we're saying it's better than shift. I-record. Okay, cool. Uthi ku right. So Welcome nama options awuthu. Ama options awuthu ukuthi indoda yakho siyehlisa emotweni izelana masuyilahlile sinike 50 rand igibele itaxi yepree or sibuyele naye simambise ngemoto njengoba sinilandile. So wena ukhetha kuphi uthi mnike 50 rand?
Ayihambe ngeteksi uclever mos.
Message. Amen. So wena sisamubusa umtholele mhlawumbe umunye umuntu ofila ngathi manje usafe naye.
Yes.
Yeah.
Not really ukuthi singimtholile but siyakhuluma and I feel like it's promising. And ngiyabona ukuthi I've been settling for less. Yeah, so angisafuni, yeah.
And we're
Angisafuni.
happy. Seven a smile. Mawunayo.
Manginoba
Sengisho
lo musha.
the rebound.
Yeah. He's not a rebound. Oh. He actually made me realize ukuthi I've been settling for less.
Yes. Anjayami. My brother.
Waphila kunjani?
Sharp ubani kamfethu?
NgoTsepiso.
Tsepiso, where you from?
I'm from Orlando.
Orlando vet.
Yes.
Ngifisa ukwazi ngawe awuthami ukuthi awuthenjani ekasi bakubiza ngobani and iziphi naziphi ozipushayo?
Mina ngi-out eGrand ifele ekasi bangibiza ngo50 yabo.
Sure.
Nickname yami yasediskin. Ngidlala idisk ngisakhona.
Oh, budlala idisk.
Yes.
So do you have a team oyicoachayo manje?
Anginayo team.
Emele ucoach intwana dok uthole noma 1 noma 2 banikele spirit sakho. So awuthami lapha ediskini vele ukuthi mawubamba ibhola vele kwa crowd ibizwa ngawo.
Yebo.
La. My brother, my sister ngihleli naye wena nayini yini?
Median.
For sure nayo sitshelile. And uphinde wasitshela nanokuthi la umphethe kamnandi ngakhona, nazo yona imnandi ngakhona. Wena ungathini oyithandayo ngayo?
Into engithandayo ukuthi uyakhalisha nami umuntu osharp uyapheka nasendlini akajive uthanda ukujiva nami endlini.
On Java need to.
Yes.
Sometimes they all clap for you.
Yes.
Hayibo.
Yeah.
Ziwe nje.
Yeah, zero.
Norcos.
For sure.
Amata. Showcase fit. Ne. Ugcina nini nje mhlawumbe ukukhatlisha?
Singnawo ma-tweets.
Ningakhatlishi ne?
Yes.
Konta afuna ukutshela yona mase niyakhatlisha ne? Nje.
Ngibona ngathi whatever that we had, it's not working anymore. Ngicabanga ukuthi mina nawe kumele separate ways. Because singabona ukuthi seyizoba toxic le relationship. Nambo ukuthi sweet kanjani? This is not him, this is not the real him. He's not like this.
So ugqoke isikhumba semvu.
Yes.
Awu kanjani?
He's not this type of a person. Trust me.
So wena
So yeah.
uviolent.
Angikho violent. So umama since athola umsebenzi yabo.
Mm.
Umuntu ukuthi sekayabhokisha nabangani bakhe yabo. And kunomunye lo muntu asebenzisana naye asemsebenzini yabo omfana so sekahlezi hamba naye yabo. Last thing ngabathola eparkini bakene. Mangithi ngiyamlanda lapha eparkini akuye emsebenzini.
Ha.
Yes.
So wena siswami awungitshelanga phela ngalokho wena ungitshela ukuthi lo mfana omusha nesa on the talking stage.
Yes, and it's not really ukuthi besiphumile. He was walking me home.
So wena ubusujola nalo mfana omusha
Cha,
uthe wena
asijoli.
but wanibambe eparkini nje uyasho ubhuti.
Yes, and basically which sign ubona ngathi ezikunike idea ukuthi besajola?
Okay.
Because silent about this. Because no, we're not dating. He was just walking me home. Something that you cannot do. Something you complain about. Yabo.
Isayini ngibonisile ukuthi benihleka yabo nismayelelana like inibambane nangezandla mangiqeda ukakana. So ngambuza umama ngathi kwenzakalani lana athaye umngane wakhe wasemsebenzini. Ngambuza ukuthi awu since unama akazi ube nomngane omfana so soloku usebenza so nomngane omfana kanjani?
Because you had a problem with me having male people that I talk to. So it happened with when I got this job. Obviously, I'm still new. It's an internship actually, not a job. So like he was welcoming and everything, and actually he was walking me home because I just wanna walk home. It's not like something. Okay, today his girlfriend yakhe.
Okay, so
We are sure I was smiling.
Okay, so
Something that
for leyo nto leyo. Ngoba mina ngitshela ukuthi kumele ngikhaphe ku-interview.
because obviously ukube bengizokulahla sithu ekhaya, things were gonna be bad.
Kanjani mama? Cause angaze ngibeke isandla.
Yes, awukazi, but being violent doesn't only mean ukuba about physically. Emotionally very absent. Mangizomtshela ukuthi okay, I have a lot of work. I'm going through this and this and this and that. Uzokutshela ukuthi uzoba right. Unanchala akahlangana kangeni lapho. So I'm not gonna tolerate that anymore.
Okay, cha yazini akunankinga mangilahle yabo kusemhlabeni. So nami ngizozibona ukuthi ngiphuma kanjani.
Oh vele nawe ubusunayo umunye umuntu in front.
Exactly.
Mina nginayo umunye umuntu futhi. But makangilahla anginanto engizoyenza nami yabo. Because of ngizogcina ngenza into ezirong.
Wena mawubabona lapha eparkini babenzani busathi uyangichazela.
Mangivela azange ngibone yabona.
Sure.
Bebake angazi ukuthi bebanqabuzana or bebayenzani angiqosho.
Bekusondelene.
Yes, bekusondelene.
Awushayi ngani ngamatshe?
Awungizoshaya kanjani futhi ngoba ithe makaqeda ukungibona agcuma.
Owakubona yena.
Yeah, angibona yena.
Senza ngathi akazi.
Sekayenza ngathi akazi agcuma athi
No, don't lie. The time ngimhaga bekasekahamba, I was bidding him goodbye. And mangibona I didn't jump because and another thing enza ukuthi ngingafuni nje ngicabana nawe ngiloko ngichazela akhona yena. I just said to him thank you uNkapa wajika bese ke ngakhuluma nawe because I know ukuthi you were gonna react ngendlela esaziyo mina nawe ukuthi ureact kanje. Namanje nje ubhizinza sweet person I understand ukuthi why.
Oh man. Awukodwa ngilahlelana.
Uyabona manje he's accepting ukuthi siyahlukana. If I don't block him, he's gonna call and do whatever, make means.
Mhlawumbe akabelieve.
Hayibo.
Yeah, khona ngibelieve vele futhi maka inkinga ayikho makangilahle.
Yeah, mfethu uthi asakufuni futhi uthi ungasamfoneli.
Yes.
And ungasalokhu uza nakubo.
Yeah.
Angeke ngisaphinda futhi.
Yeah, and ungahambi la hamba khona. And nakhona welcome. Then umniki 200 rand ubhuti. Akwazi ukuthi agibele itaxi, uzogibela itaxi uye free. Ngiyaqala ukunika umuntu 200. Uzogibela itaxi lapha uye free ngoba nje uyiphethe kahle. Gibela itaxi futhi mnike 300. Ne 3. Gibela itaxi.
Oh, another thing, ngicela ukuthi angilethele izinto zami because I'm not gonna come to you ngoba usekazo uyabanga
400 Uber.
Yeah, please Uber my things, everything.
Ngatalisa.
Yeah.
Senza kanjalo.
Fisela mfethu konke mfethu kuhle mfethu.
Thank you.
Balimpile entsha lapha. Awumgayi 100 rand lapha mfethu emtop. Just uthi outside rent.
Ngiyabona.
Sheshe. Yeah mfethu. Ube lezi zinto lezi zize kubuka my sister because my sister seqhubekile ngempilo and yona outhi ube come the way ukhamba ngakhona mfethu. Izinto ekanje mfethu. Yeah, mawukuthi umuntu uyakulahla cause uma isister uyambona ukuthi usekamnandi la phambili la khona yabona lonto le. And nawe mfethu akhona nama-chair abhekile lana answempa smart amdingayo mfethu umuntu okham o easy njengawe. Kufisela yonke inhlanhla mfethu. And bo sisters kuma comments please comment lapho my brother mfethu use open for relationship.
Kakhulu bro.
Sure. Yeah mfethu welcome. Mbonise mfethu ama-text.
Okay, sale ngahle. Uhambe kahle mama.
Mtshela nawe mfethu uthi aya-accept mfethu.
Angiya-accept ukuthi ungilahlile hayi. Inkinga yethu.
I hope
Uzozibona phambili.
Phethe malini lapho?
Phethe 500. Ngizomubela. Azothatha impahla zakhe. Hambise impahla zakhe.
Imnandi break up yabhadala.
Hayi iyabhadala impela.
usenza ngathi umuntu oright.
Hayi ube right lo mtshitshi.
Uright?
Hayi bona mtshitshi ugrand lo mtshitshi. Itakali lo.
Umuntu achoose ipola over mina uright?
Awukanti kumele
Every day, all the time. No.
angithi uhlezi ungeke endlini wena ubuya late so buya.
Of course, sengizobuya late ngoba wena vele awufuni so angeke ngilonge ngikuforce ngiyabo. Mara kusena ndaba.
Yeah, sharp, sale kahle.
Sharp.
Thank you.
Dankie.
Danko.
Buti, ube right.
Angizoba sharp.
Ube sharp ne?
Thank you.
Ema-taxini. Danko.
That was easy. I didn't expect him to react like that.
Yeah, he reacted easy ne? He reacted
That's
easy.
not how he usually reacts.
Kanti yena unjani? Njengoba
This
ebonga.
other time, he almost, okay, I got a call from my friend. And then one cousin goes, okay, this weekend we're going to be doing this and this. I would like be a farmer's market.
Sure.
And then last week I was cooking. And then berakona abugi bola. And then I think after he realized and then the call took long because Mrs. Plan was okay, so what do you think we should wear? Whatever, about things like that. And then he was like, whilst she was on
the
call.
call.
Yes. And then Watula, because she knows, I explained this to her and everything. And then how could you say that? Okay, uzong embarrass phambi komngane uzong tshela ukuthi angilapho kanjani. Ngihamba nomngane wentombazana angilapho kanjani. This guy, yabo lo muntu enibone la different person akusuye lo. Akusuye.
But at least usuphumile kuyena nayo acceptile
I hope so.
It's so fully protection order phela mayinga acceptable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
No akunankinga. Welcome. Ngisacela ukuthatha my sister futhi umfake ebhasini kukude la hlala khona mele simambise manje. Sister, yeah ube right when uzo report kuthina nje makuthi khona ubukhiqhiqi nje okwenzakala and the protection order will be on the way.
Thank you.
Okay, sharp sister.
Sharp. Sure.
It's about that time, but as you know, it's King Ginger, Cream de la Cream, and this is your #1 show, Angisakufuni, where you get blessed unexpected, where you give the ungivable, where you give the givers. It's your boy King Ginger, the Cream de la Cream. I'm fine, hayi bayahlukana. Yabona ngidonsa ngomshini ke manje. Yeah, baqathakiswa kwama-flies left right and center. Kwa. Siyakhala. Ayingeke. Welcome. Asambe fine asamselokishini. Vele uzodrive wena ne. Take me home. Hey yo, it's your boy King Ginger, Cream de la Cream. But some demand to Mabuyu, Bampoluyu, welcome to Angisakufuni. On this show is whereby I give people a platform to break up. No way, bring it up now. What made you go to Why the ayengiyasho ukuthi bayibhelishisa mkhulu hayi no ayengiyasho uyasho ukuthi bayibhelishisa inkinga usekhathele yesena